Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Instagram username. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it on both iPhone and Android. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then select Account Center. Inside Account Center, choose Profiles, then select the Instagram account where you want to update the username. From there, tap Username. Now, just type in the new username you want. If you see a green check mark, that means the username is available. If it turns red, it means someone else already has it and you'll need to try a different one. Once you find an available username, scroll down and tap Done. Instagram may ask you to enter your password for confirmation. After that, your new username will be saved instantly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram username. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. For more easy tutorials, subscribe and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.